guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we're going to make this trifle. It's made of foam and jelly and creme chantilly, and let's see how I make it. The containers here, I used it from recycled some stuff home, like this is box for toys, or this is for Barbie, this is for candle. I find in the market square and circle. So they are transparent, so they are perfect actually for the trifle. This is foam. I have some leftover foam from here, from this. After it dries, then it really look like cake. I just come here and I cut them to squares. I make a couple of them. It's very good and a new material for miniature. I put them here and I see the size. Okay, perfect. I bring here a glue gun and I will make it like this. I put a little bit cream on the foil paper so it won't sticky, and I do like that. Why? And I cut them squares like this because I want to make jelly cubes. I bring here raisin, A and B, same quantity, because I want to make the jelly. Or whatever brand you have, you just be careful of the portion. I mix them very well and I put a little bit raisin color, red. I mix it and I put inside the glue gun stick. So it's like jelly with cubes of jelly. Okay, now I take again 2 portions from the raisin I'm using because I want to make the custard. I make sure that they are same quantity, otherwise it won't form with me. Okay, so I'll put little bit of the foam and I'll put on top of it little bit of the raisin transparent because I want them to be sticky together. Not too much, little bit. I explain to you why. I bring this plate, this is the serving plate, and I put little bit of the raisin down, not too much. Then I put the foam. The foam is very good because when you put the jelly and the custard, it really sucks it, so it really looks like really natural. Now I want to make the custard, so I take a little bit of the raisin and I mix it with pastel color. I put them here, the yellow color, light yellow, because it's the same like the custard. Now I'll put first layer of jelly. When I put them, I make sure that I put them on the edges. Why? Because I want them to drip so they look nice from the side. Keep putting. I don't care about the center, I care about the sides. Now again, another layer of the custard, starting from the sides as well. Here we go. Now we want to add some strawberry. For example, if we have some cane of strawberry or something, then we can cut them and stick them to the edges so they look good as well. Now the second layer with the foam, which is basically the sponge cake. Again, I repeat what I did before and a little bit of raisin and mix them. I mix. Now the custard, I will add little bit more raisin and little bit more pastel color because I need to cover the whole cake from up, and I mix it. Now here, if you want to put real vanilla essence, it smells very good. then you can add. It won't bother anything. Again on the edges. Slowly, slowly. And the last layer of the cake. Tiny bit of press. I will press a little bit because there is another layer I'm gonna put. Actually two more layers, the custard and the jello. Little bit press. Now the custard. Little bit raisin, so it will become liquidy more. And as the same as I did before, I put on the edges. I care about the edges more because that's what people see. The center people will not see, it will be covered. So if it's not sufficient with me, it's fine because it's going to be covered again with the jello. Okay. I finish it all. You can use the same method in some other cakes, for example, chocolate mousse or something. So you can do and mention to me. Here is the jello. Big chunks on top, because when it dries, you can see it like that. Oops. Here. You can see I left some cake pieces. It's like that. Say mashallah. Now I will bring some craft foam and I put the cream. I put it in a syringe using the tool of the cake, small one, tiny, and I try to make this one. I don't want to cover it all with the creme chantilly, the cream, because I want to see the red part. This cream I made it from salt dough and as well the PVA glue. MashaAllah say. MashaAllah in Arabic it's like God bless. Okay. Now I clean it and I let it dry. And I have left over some of the some of the jelly. I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna put it. I put it in this Barbie cup and decorate it because I cannot keep it. It will dry. I'll make a little bit more actually. Wow. I hope you like it, and please, if you want me to do some more stuff and more kind of food, write it for me in the description box. And try to follow me on my Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.